Hey, this is Brad with WTI. A fan in your bedroom can make or break things. If you want to sleep comfortably, you want to have airflow, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money to do it, this 46-inch fan is a great thing for your bedroom or any other room where you might need extra air or light. The thing that we like about it is it's black and it's sleek. It matches our decor, and it also doesn't hold or collect a lot of dust because of that sleek design. It makes it easier as far as cleaning. Another thing that we really like about it is the light. It's nice and bright. You can dim it, you can make it brighter. Also, you can change the color of the light from like a bright white to more like a daylight, which is nice because, you know, if you have lamps and things in your bedroom, that way you can match. Another thing that we liked about it was the remote control size. It's the size of kind of a standard TV remote instead of those really tiny ones that come with a lot of fans. So the buttons are easy to press. It's hard to lose the remote, and that way you kind of always know where it is. The other thing that we like about it, on the remote itself, the settings for the fan are 1 through 6, which is really nice because instead of just hitting higher and higher and higher and kind of wondering if you've maxed it out, you know exactly what setting it's on when you push that button. It has a backlight feature, which is nice too. It gives you just enough light in the night. Another thing that we like about it too is that it is quiet. Even at the highest setting, you don't really hear the motor whirling. So that's what we liked about this 46-inch fan in black, and that's my point of view.